What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Monday evening, just got a dispatched emergency service call request. We have a mixed-use building in Cedarhurst that's got no heat. Now, earlier today, we were dispatched out there as a no-heat service call, and we found no power to the boiler. We checked circuit breakers, everything was normal, but the place is under construction. I'm like, you need an electrician, lady. And here we are. Let's go! I guess the electricians are still here. Hi. We have power to the boiler? Yes.
We're running.
What?
I'm running power.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have no, what have you done? Just get power back. Okay, very good.
What about they take all the power?
What's that?
Are you running just a wire?
No, if you have power here, we're good. All right, okay.
What happened in turning off the power?
You what?
What happened in turning off the power?
Is there power now to the boiler?
Yeah, now it has the power.
Okay, very good. All right.
Yeah, but I'm running a new power to this boiler.
Okay, right now?
Yes.
Okay.
So because I have just a temporary this size.
Ah,
I
okay.
did a little jump. Now
Okay,
I'm
no
making
problem.
the panel, a new power.
Okay, so I'll wait for you to finish up then.
Okay.
Okay, how much time you need?
Yeah.
Where does water come from?
I bring the panel, the electrical panel.
No, the water.
Oh, I'm not sure. I'm not happy yet.
Okay, oh, no problem. I'll wait for you to finish.
Okay, thank you. I was talking with my boss.
Yes.
He sent me a message. I tried to explain what happened. Are you the super?
No, I'm the plumber.
Okay. Just give me a...
Yeah, take your time. No problem. I'm here.
This has power.
Okay. All right, I'll get my tools.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me fix
Yep.
everything. Ahorita para conectar la máquina y que me espere para poner el power que estamos poniendo.
A ver si funciona así.
O sea, él lo estaba chequeando ahorita con el que tenemos temporal.
Ajá.
Y parece que está todo bien. Sí. Solamente va a ser lo otro que les expliqué.
Ok.
Ajá.
Perfecto.
Porque quiere que les quede estapeado más o menos, ¿no?
Sí, podemos verlo.
Listo.
O córrelo y luego...
I hear you. And as I told them about a month and a half ago, that damper is no bueno. And the rust on the terminals, also no bueno. And this, no bueno too. It's getting power. And something's been leaking here because there's water all over the place. And it looks like it's coming from up there. Yep, that's where that's coming from. The leak above is killing the boiler. Gotta love it. And it's, oh, that's poopy water too. Oh yeah, that's that cocky water. Dripping here, splashing on everything. All right, so we have a dead circulator to replace. Let's make that money. Take a look at all the corrosion from the leak above. Well, this is what happens, folks, when you neglect maintenance. Oh yeah, that is toasty. Yeah, give me some toast. I'm not even gonna use my meta glasses to show you guys this good stuff. You're gonna see it all on the iPhone. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby, see? Oh yeah, that smells good. Oh man, I wish I could transfer the smell that you guys are experiencing right now. Oh yeah. Give me that good smelling good stuff. Yeah, Takeo. Oh yeah. Ooh. Man, I know you guys are hungry, so I'm gonna feed you. Yeah, I'm gonna feed you that good food. Oh yeah. Because I am a feeder of food. Oh yeah. Okay. Look, the Wagos fine. Wago took that. Like, give me more. Give me more, puppy. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's loosen up this circ. All right. Probably gonna get some water here. Or maybe not. And in case you're wondering, Mikey Pipes, why are you wearing a gold bracelet? Well, it reminds me of why I do this. Generational wealth. That's why, folks. That's why. And don't even dare criticize me for getting the cocky all over my stubby. I'm going to show you how we finesse this. I'm going to show you how we finesse. Because tonight's bill is going to be 2 bills. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, baby. And by the way, save the IFCs. You got a single zone system. There's no need to put that in there. Save it. Put it in your toolbox, your tool bag, because you may come across a system where there's phantom heat on zones. When one is on, others come on as well. And you'll be thanking me. Mikey Pipes, thank you so much for telling me to save that IFC. Yep. And I'll say, you're welcome. You're welcome. Now I'm going to ask you guys a question. How many of you have money on me right now that I am going to reuse those Wagos? How many of you have money on me right now? Tell me. Tell me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. How many of you are betting that I'm going to reuse those Wagos? If you think I'm going to reuse them, you're going to have to keep watching. Oh yeah. Many of you are asking, why am I using the Grunfus circulators over the Takos recently? And let's just say Takeo doesn't want to collaborate with Mikey Pipes. So, Grunfus is the next best thing. Got all this cocky on my stubby. I got cocky on my stubby. Cocky on my stubby. Cocky on my stubby. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. It's that time we all been waiting for, folks. You thought I was going to put new Wagos on here? Hell no. Ain't nothing wrong with these Wagos. Lego my Wago. Lego my Wago. Those are good Wagos, my man. My guy. Those are good Wagos. Yeah. Fire in the hole. Yeah, that's right, baby. Oh, show me your daddy. Okay, we gotta get some purge in there. All right, folks, I accomplished a lot off camera. Not wanting to have a call back here because it heats out again, and we're waiting on parts, and this boiler needs a plethora of parts. I decided where I'm going to physically remove the vent damper motor and the damper itself from inside that 8-inch GVD Field Controls number 8 damper assembly. GVD, I was correct, GVD 8. And I accomplished that by looking at my chart. I know my chart, if I jumper 2 and 3 wire, orange and the yellow, my boiler is going to fire up. However, I don't have an orange and a yellow wire here, all right? I have 2 greens, a black, a yellow, and a red. But have no fear, because here is all that matters. We have the black wire. We're going to call this the orange wire. We got a brown and a yellow. And I follow those to my red and yellow. And my red and yellow, I cut right there. And we'll get a new damper harness. And we'll get a new damper, as well as the lower to cut off, the zone relay, the manual reset pressure control. That one's okay. And the high limit, that's no good either. So that's what we're working with, folks. We are circulating. That's blazing hot. Coming back. Okay. That check valve was jacked up. I smashed on that millions of times and finally got some flow through here. I thought maybe someone cut a valve in, but no. But look at all that cocky on that 2-inch cast iron hub. Yeah, there's a hub there. See that hub? That's no bueno. It's coming from up there. The lead bend, the pull and reset, wax ring. There's a lot of cocky going on here. But we got it up and running, and I'm getting paid.